Hello and welcome to Back Bedroom Art. You'll have to excuse me, I'm not feeling very well at the moment, but I'm doing a quick video for Claire Ash. She sent me a little video via Facebook of something she got for Christmas over the Christmas period. It was beautiful. It was beautiful. But I said to her, I know how to make those. I used to do these years ago for my kids. And I knew I still had some of the powder lying around. I got so much stuff knocking around. And all you need, really, I mean, this will spark your imagination, hopefully. The container is irrelevant. I'm going to use a plastic bottle because I'm just showing you how you do it. And yeah. So spark your imagination. Do this with any container you want. You find something, make something. All you really need is micro powder, some water, which we'll get in a second, and a container. And like I said, it's a quick demonstration, so I'm just using a plastic bottle. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take off this annoying label, and then I'm going to put some water in here. So I've taken the label off, I've filled it up pretty much nearly to the top, so I want to be able to shake it and get stuff moving around. And it just means adding the micro powder. You can add as much as you want. Obviously, I'm going to go with half a teaspoon. A little goes a long way. But if you give a bigger container, you want to put more in, smaller container, put less. Be imaginative with your container, don't go with water bombing. Like I said, this is just a quick video just to show you how you do it. So let's take the lid off. Well, this is going to be interesting. Can I do this without getting the micro powder everywhere? Because I am a div and I will make mistakes. So, heck. You've got to have this really sealed. Oh, it's going everywhere. So let's just get some of the powder. Oh, I should have got a smaller spoon, really, shouldn't I? Back bedroom art. It is all about being an amateur, because I don't want to be a professional. I don't want to be saying you want to use this, you must use that, you must have 4 ounces of this and use this. I don't want to do that. Whenever I watch art stuff, I always get annoyed because I'm always like, well, I don't have that. I don't have the ability to do that. But I think we've all got the ability to do what I've just done. And I'm sure you can do it even better. So let's put the lid on. I'm just going to quickly wipe this down. Wow, I'm making a hell of a mess, aren't I? Oh, actually, before I do, this stuff, you don't want to get moisture in it. So let's seal it up. Put it back in its secondary bag. I've got to clean all this glitter up now. I remember having so much fun with the kids doing this. You can add dye to it as well, like food colouring, and make different colours as well. So yeah, there's that as well you can do. After doing it, I just realised I could do it without making a mess. Look, just a bit of cardboard. Fold it like that. It's like a little funnel then, isn't it? Oh, well, there you go. Live and learn. Right, so if I turn on its side and then give it a shake, you should be seeing a whole galaxy of colours. It might not be that easy to see like this. Let me show you in with light. There you go. Shake it up, and you will see. Look at that. Isn't it a lovely effect? It's like it swoops around and swirls like a galaxy. Ooh. So sparkly, so glittery, so gorgeous. It's all rushing up to the top there. It's like it's defying gravity. Isn't that bizarre? I do love this stuff. Oh, look at that. Just give it a little. Whoa. Like I said, if you do it for small children for a couple of minutes, it's like, it's fascinating. It's mesmerising. I love it when it first gets shaken up. Woo, look at it swell. Let's see if I can. Like I said, the container is pants. But you get the idea. Look, that's quite pretty. That's quite pretty. It took me literally minutes to make, didn't it? And it's cost me pennies. Oh, I do like that. I'm gonna add some blue. I'm gonna add some dye to it. So just some of my resin dye. I'm just gonna add 2 drops. Ooh. Unfortunately, it has sort of stained the bottle a bit, but food colouring is really what you want. That my dye isn't the best for this, but how about that with the pink in? Swirly colours. Ooh. So glittery, so sparkly, so pretty, so cheap as well. Like I said, food colouring wouldn't have the mottled effect. It's because it's proper dye. It's dye in the bottle, and not in a great way because of the ridges. But you can see how adding colouring changes it. Ooh, very pretty, very sparkly, very quick, very easy, very cheap, fun for the kids. Although, if they are very young kids, just supervise them, because I'm sure you don't want this in your carpets and all over the house. Particularly if they don't put the lid on properly and then shake it. How cool is that? Back bedroom art at its best. Whoa, look at that one. You know I'm going to be watching this all day now, aren't I? Right, I really hope you enjoyed this video. Like I said, it was a quick one for Claire, just to show how you can make these yourself. Find a better container than what I did. This is just a cheap and cheerful water bottle, isn't it? Right. If you enjoyed it, please leave a like, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I would love Back Bedroom Art to be a success. So if you are new to the channel, please hit that button, and I promise you there is more videos coming. I just did this as a quickie. Actually, I was in the middle of a project. I was just doing a Super Mario resin art, diamond art, crossover, mashup, however you want to say it, when I stopped to make this, because this only took a few minutes. But yeah, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in a video real soon. Take care, and have a happy new year, everybody. I hope you all have a cracking 2022, and I hope it is a peaceful, prosperous, and a happy one for all of you. And thank you very much, Claire, for sending me that video, because it did remind me about these things. And if you want to make these over the new year for your kids, yeah, very simple, very easy, and very beautiful. Right, bye everybody, take care.